Guys, I am really excited. I've been buying fake AirPods for the rest of my life, but finally my mom, thanks to my mom, has given me great present. This is real AirPods. Oh my god. Yes! Real AirPods. Air. Fuck, how do I open this? So it looks like this. You guys can go suck a dick, please. You guys don't get this. Shit, bro. Bro, I wish I had a job where I could buy like AirPods 2 or some shit. How do I actually open this? Bro, guys, just saying AirPods are a fucking scam. They're so expensive. And I think they're a bit bullshit as well, to be honest. But they sound really, really nice. Okay, how do I actually open this? Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. Actually, how do I fucking open this? Well, let me get something. Ah, shit. I'll just use a pen. Oh, damn it. I probably like broke it. So you use a sharp pen to open it usually. Yep, there we go. I think I got it. No, I didn't. So basically, I'm gonna like flex on all the poor cunts at my school. I mean, actually, I mean at my band, because they go to public school and they're a bit like they're actually like faggots and stuff, and they think they're so big and stuff, and they say, oh, but just because you go private school, you're a wanker or something, but they're actually just like fucking like mentally like retarded poofs. So yeah. So here we go. Designed by Apple in California. Fuck yeah. Alright, so this has a bunch of stuff in it. I don't know why they give me so many things. Is this a fucking serial number or something? So basically, okay, I need to read this shit because I actually don't know how to do this. So it has 1 year warranty, which I will keep. And I'll sue Apple if they don't give me this shit. So it comes with a charging cable, which looks like this. Like any iPhone charger. And this is the egg or something. Oh shit, how do I use it? Yeah, fuck yeah. Holy fuck. Why is this so weird? What? How does this work and why is it so heavy? What the fudge? Is this even charged? Let me see. Sorry. I could actually use this as an iPhone charger, which is cool because I don't have one. Actually, I lost my old one because I'm a faggot, so. So it comes with this. Really nice. Bitches. And that's it. There's nothing else in this box other than I'm gonna use. Basically, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this and say in public, I'm gonna give you free AirPods, or just give this shit and just run away. But they'll probably bash me, so they'll be like, "Give me AirPods, nigga," or something like that. So, how does this actually work? I can't believe this is like worth $230. I feel like this is worth $2, to be honest. But it's really nice. So this says iOS. I actually don't know how to use it. I'm so retarded. That's why I'm reading the instruction. Fuck that. Let's read. Oh shit, where's my instruction booklet? AirPod, whatever. Fuck, how do I use it? So it says use cable here. So guys, as you may know, many public school kids think they are cool because they have this, but just for you YouTube viewers, public school kids, sometimes they are dumb because they think they are cool by having this, but really it's, don't worry, it's not a big deal. So anyways, other than that, I am going to show you. Oops. Nada. Connect to other devices. How does this work? Oh. So red light shows not fully charged. Green shows fully charged. What the heck? Hey Siri. To activate what? Okay, whatever. This is getting really out of hand. See you guys.